We are at 315 76th Avenue Northeast in Fridley. We just repaired the last 30 feet of this pipe with a sewer liner. That's all the blue thing you're looking at here. We'll slow down where the damage was. You can see it kind of starting there. You can see the imperfections in the liner a little bit and up and around there. Then we just kind of brought it back, kind of making it a little bit easier to clean in the future or to do future repair work. There's the start of your liner right there. Coming in the 4-inch now. And sharpen out. We're going to put this boot on to seal that thing up, and then we'll be good to go.